In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 4, exercise 11.1, surface area and volume. So what about this question? A conical tent is 10 meter height of a conical tent is what? 10 meter. The radius of its base is what? 24 meter. Find slant height of the tent. Tent is in a shape of cone. Conical tent. We are having conical tent means it is in the shape of cone. So we require slant height. We are having in the question height of the tent, and tent is in the shape of what? Cone, and cone base radius we are having. So simple question, how we will solve? Observe carefully. What about its solution? A conical tent is in a shape of conical. What? Its shape is what? Conical shape. We are having conical shape tent like this. Observe, this is the base, and its tent, its height is what given us, and this h, and h equal to what? Height is denoted by h, and it is equal to what? 10 meter. What? 10 meter. Height is what? 10 meter. And base radius, base is r, and it is what? It is 24 meter. So height equal to, height of a conical tent is 10 meter, and base radius r equal to what? Given 24 meter. Two things we are having in the question. Now question number 1, we require slant height. What? Slant height, and slant height is denoted by L, and it is what? This one. This is what? Slant. This and this, these are what? Slant height. So slant height is what? L. So once we are having height, base, and this one, it is what? Right triangle. Right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, and once we are having right triangle, then we can apply what? Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say what? By using Pythagoras theorem, what we can say? L square equal to, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square will be base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse is L, slant height, so L square equal to base square, base is what? Radius, r square plus h, perpendicular is what? Height, h. So we can say L we require, so L can be written as what? R square plus h square. Now put the values. R equal to what? 24 meter, it is a radius of the base, so this can be written as 24 square, plus h is the height, and it is the perpendicular, so we can say 10 square. Solve this one. What we are getting? This will be what? 24 square is what? 576. 24 square, 24 into 24 is 576, plus 10 square is 10 into 10, what? 100. Add both. This will be what? 676. Once we find the square root of 676, then we are getting 26. 26 square will be what? 676. So square root of 676 will be 26 meter will be what? Slant height we obtained. So question number 1 we completed. Slant height of the tent. This is the conical tent. Its slant height we assumed is L, and its height given us 10 meter, and radius of a base radius is what? R, and it is given us 24. So by using, this is a right triangle, so in which we can use the Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can say L square equal to R square plus H square. Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Then we are applying there, then we are getting L equal to what? Square root of R square plus H square. We are putting the values of R, radius, of a base and h is the height, then we are solving and getting 26 meter will be what? Slant height. Clear? Now next question, question number second one. How we will solve the question number second one? Observe carefully. Cost of the canvas required. Cost of the canvas required to make the tent. Cost required to make the cost of the canvas required to make the tent. This tent is making by canvas. So cost required. If the cost of 1 square meter area, 1 square meter area cost is what? Rupees 70. It means once we obtain canvas, total area of a canvas required to make the tent, total area of a canvas once we obtain, then we will multiply it by rupees 17, then we can find the cost of the canvas required to make the tent. Observe what simple thing, cost of the canvas required to make the tent. We require cost of the canvas. We are using canvas to make the tent. 1 square meter cost we are having rupees 70. Total cost we want. So how we will find? Once we obtain the total area of a canvas, then we can multiply it by this amount, then we obtain the cost. So first we require to obtain what? Canvas required to make the tent. Canvas required to make the tent. Canvas required to make the tent. Canvas, what canvas? Canvas required to make the tent is what? Curved surface area is equal to curved surface area of conical tent. Curved surface area of a cone. So what canvas required to make this tent? It means curved surface area of a tent. Curved surface area of tent is in a form of cone, so we can say curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Now R or L both values we are having, so R is what? Pi into R is 24 meter and L we obtain slant height 26. Once we multiply this and this one, 26 multiplied by 24, what we are getting? 6 4 ja 24, 2 is remaining, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 10, 6 2 ja 12, 1 is remaining, 2 2 ja 4 or 4 plus 1 5. So 4 2 6 624 pi meter square. What? Meter square. This is a curved surface area. Observe what we are doing. We require the cost of the canvas, so first we should be calculate the area of a canvas. So canvas required to make the tent, it means curved surface area, and it is what? Pi RL. Why we are using this one? It is in a conical shape, conical tent. What? Conical. So cone curved surface area is this one. Putting the values of R and L, multiplying both, then we are getting this one. Clear? Now cost. Since cost of 1 meter square canvas, equal to what? Cost of 1 meter square canvas. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is what? Rupees 70. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is what? 70 rupees. Now therefore what we can say? Cost of 624 pi meter square canvas, cost of 624 pi meter square canvas equal to what? 70 into 624 pi. Solve this one. This can be written as 70 into 624 pi is what? 22 by 7. Now this 7 is going to be cancel this one. How many times? 10 times it is going. So what we are getting? 10 into 624 into 22. Multiply and write. 624 multiplied by 22. What we are getting? 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 6 2 ja 12. 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 6 2 ja 12. 8, 12, 2, 1, 6 and 1, 7, 3 and 1. So we are getting 1, 3, 7, 2, 8 and 1 0 is there. So what amount? 1,37,280 rupees. Rupees will be the cost of the canvas. So what cost of the canvas? 1,37,280 rupees. Clear? Observe again what we are doing in this question. Observe. Simple question. We are having conical tent 10 meter height. Its height is what? 10 meter and its base radius is what? 24 meter. First question is what? Slant height of the tent we require. So how we will find? This is the right triangle, so we will use Pythagoras theorem. Then we can say L square will be what? R square plus H square. L is what? Slant height. Then putting the values H and R, then we are getting 26 meter will be what? Slant height. Now cost of the canvas required. Cost of the canvas we want. So in the question we are having cost of 1 meter square. 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. So total cost we require. So we will find the curved surface area. This is the tent now. This is what? Curved surface area. So curved surface area of this conical tent. And its formula will be what? Pi RL. So we are putting the values of R and L. We are getting total area. Total curved surface area of a conical tent is what? 624 pi meter square. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So cost of 624 pi meter square. This is the total one. This is the for 1 meter square canvas cost. Now total one cost we will multiply this into 70. Then we are solving. Then we are getting rupees 1,37,280 rupees will be the cost of canvas required for this canonical tent. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.